And by the way, Buntardi. And this is my anniversary, our anniversary, but this is also the day of Pagara.
Yeah, which means we get rid of everything bad from the year 2022, and hoping for a better next year, a better year.
So how do we get rid of everything in 2022 that's bad with Pagara?
It's just like, if you have, I don't know how to say it.
We shoot it away with the fireworks?
Yes.
Oh, it
I like the
clap away.
Yeah.
Or papa.
All the smoke that comes off.
Oh, the smoke. Okay.
Everything, something like that.
And when is it starting?
It's supposed to start at 1 p.m.
Okay.
But I think it's over 1 already, so
okay.
They're running a little late.
So you mean to tell me that it's going to be this entire street?
Yes, because it's the company Renaissance Resorts.
Oh.
They own very much this whole strip.
Okay.
They have the hotel over here.
It's going to be all here.
Yes.
It's the longest one in the world.
You are kidding me.
Yes.
It's the longest one in the world.
I think
gotta
about
be.
that.
Okay.
So yeah, every year on the 31st, the tradition is they throw one, everybody at home throw one at 12 o'clock noon.
Okay.
And then at night at 12, when it's 1 January, Happy New Year, then they throw the second one.
So every year on my wedding anniversary, I need to consider being here for a piccata. And that way, see where I'm from, we would pray for a good year.
Yes. Yeah, we also pray.
Yeah, so maybe we pray and shoot fireworks for the new year. That sounds like a good combination.
Yeah, in the local we say they call it fuku.
Say it again?
Fuku.
Oh, fuku means?
Run your way with the best stuff.
Oh, fuku.
Yes.
Fuku. Fuku?
Yeah, koriku fuku. They say it like that, something like that. Go away with the bad things and hoping for a better year.
Hopi bon.
Yes,
I like it. Yeah. Thank you for that.
Yes, if you give us the first night at 12 o'clock Happy New Year, you will see the most fireworks be thrown.
What do I need to be?
The highest one on the island. Or
Where? Where's it?
Yeah, that's Hoi Berba. I don't think you will be climbing that.
Bird. I've climbed that before.
Yeah, but don't recommend it to. You can go to a hotel or you can go to a lighthouse. You get to see the best view. They will like all the hotels. They have fireworks shows because the tourists, the whole set of fireworks to see. And yeah, everybody here gonna show fireworks at 12.
What's your name?
Rudrik.
Almost didn't make it here.
Yes, almost.
Yeah, just very last minute.
Yeah, also
And
I'm studying in the Netherlands right now.
Are you? Okay.
So I'm also here for vacation.
Oh.
And this is the best time of the year for me, so I like it to come here December, and I sell fireworks for shopping in my house.
Oh.
Yeah, so I also like to do that and help them. So this is the best time. It's vacation for me, but this is one thing I love is fireworks. So I come every year when I can here.
Awesome. So. They're about to light this place up. What are they saying? What are you saying?
This is the traditional song they sing every 31st.
I heard it yesterday.
It's like a blessing.
What's the
For Dande. For Dande, we bring blessing to your home.
what is it? What he's saying right there? Andu.
Ainobe. Ainobe. Ainobe.
says
It's like an old saying and saying Happy
like
New Year.
it, yeah.
I know it.
I know babe.
I know it.
I know babe.
That's like the refrain of the song.
Oh,
But everybody sings it differently and improvise the lyrics. But the refrain will stay the same.
I know babe.
It depends on which family he's visiting. Normally it's a lot of drinking. So they start like tonight. They will go New Year's midnight until tomorrow morning.
Yes.
So when they come to visit your home, it's like a blessing.
Yes.
You give them money and you give them food and drink. So they go door to door and they keep drinking and eating at the same time.
Oh,
Until they totally raise it until the next morning or the next afternoon.
I know babe.
Exactly. That's what it's saying.
It's good.
It's an old tradition.
Today is our anniversary, me and my wife, and so
Congratulations.
this is a good day.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's a good day.
Enjoy it.
Yeah.
Hope many more.
Master Donkey.
I know, babe.
Igualmente. Get out the way. It's coming.